Now new levels inside Nigeria now. They don't appoint soldiers wey go dey escort students they go school. And I know as the kidnapping matter they happen inside Nigeria, and I know say this thing now it don't dey too much. It be like say now there then these soldiers have been a government can't think of the decision say the best thing for them to do now to appoint soldiers. Where be say they go they accompany then these students, they will serve as escort to then these students. Now if na see as then these people they even happy safe as they follow them they go and I go see so many jobs for then these students face. My people beg make na follow me watch.
Commando.
This one I see am as nice strategy. But I beg, why be say then the people will be say on supposed protect can't dey on her back? Because this one I don't even understand. Shey e dey safer I be waiting on a reason because this one a formation it no even make sense. And I don't talk am countless of times. Make then these people sit down for their house because I don't know what they go learn. Make na even state and capital self wey they ring the thing no dey even make sense. So what I thought that they go even learn inside this school? I know be na hypo and dishwasher go use start to dey wash them these parents here. Make they hear what plus the teachers plus the school everybody because they just they take risk unnecessary risks that those people just start to they do. But I should say if something go happen all these children everybody go scatter. Even soldier go run because who won't die? Who won't risk in life to die because of Nigeria? And I no go reason all this thing before I go dey send on our children say I made it to go outside. And I beg our government how much be school bus? On the reason they buy rifle, they buy gun for people AK-47 and co. I beg how much be boss school bus so be saying I go just volunteer if I even decide okay. Make then these people they go school at least put bus down. When we say go they carry them these students plus then the soldiers together they go to school. Make na not just they leave people children parents self I no even know be na beating we go do. I be woman could come in the house come they beg now one by one say I beg go make your pikin in the house. If you not say by force by fire you won't make your pikin go school. Kuku send and come out from that place because you know say now the north they hot. Or last you employ lesson teacher for house we go the teacher. Or if you yourself you dey very educated you carry your pikin sit down teach am because all this one when they do una just they put wahala for our own head. The ones where they kidnap for better they never return them. I hope say na no say they never return them and some way they even kill self the parents still dey in the shock. They never see them. So why be say on a right senses? And I can't decide say in I want make na children they go school. In which I know say the place no even see as place be like desert. So leave now food the whole place. Now no reason as okay. This whole thing you know they safe. Nigeria be say don't they turn to Afghanistan. Now there na can't reason say now here na want make na children they stay. I hope say government they go rethink this decision because this one I'm not sure say it go far. They allowing soldiers I beg how person want trek reach. Even how book won't even enter the new children head. Where we say person don't trek for 2 hours, you can't reach school, you won't go. The thing no go enter. So the best option make them just sit down for their house. Make their house they learn their thing. Or make now they teach them online. Either now online, I've been from television or radio. Make now shall just choose one. My people, I beg, I hear this story. I say make I bring and come. Make now say if it's not here what they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make now don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make now don't forget to like and also share this video. I go see you now for the next video. Another drama as DSS operatives don't go rough handle one journalist because this guy carry him phone they do recording. I beg what's in our country they turn into. Now for person to carry phone begin record, the person don't even get right again. He don't turn to crime now to carry your phone say you go record for some places. And they say as Nigeria don't they turn into. They say this journalist carry him phone say in there for one place so he won't take cover of one report. Before we go see now there then these people just begin rush this guy because he carry him phone do one kind of recording. My people I beg make now follow me watch.
Nice one. Hey. Nice one. Yeah, man, that one. Hey, I beg, auntie.
I beg, DSS association, but I won't even calling her. Now thief this person thief because I don't even understand this whole audacity when I carry take go this place. Person stand there hold this man for clothes and I don't even ask the man say, I beg, what it cause this wahala? We be say this person won't snatch your food. Next thing we see, then this DSS official self, they don't carry themselves, join themselves, go they drag this man for clothes. I beg now so that they train these people to they work. Because come like say this our security, he gets something where they hide. It be like say he gets something where this person record where be say they don't want make a show. Now waiting make they do all this kind of acts where they do. And I beg make now watch these people well. Now security be there, be there be thief. See as they be like terrorists. Cover face, cover mouth, like say now they even be the thief, the unknown government where they shout. On our show say no be them be this. Because this whole dressing and attire say you go courtroom. I beg what you won't go court for there. Now one zone they go. But I beg make we talk through about this act today. This way that they do it, you know they make sense. This kind of act we say everything for na gra gra. And I go carry everything they rush on. And I don't even respect say this person na even journalist. And I don't even reason and say okay with this person make na surprise other channels go dey there. Channels and the rest they go dey there they cover this thing. They no see them. I don't know where because this one phone way in carry now wait come be their own problem. But last as I sure say before you go even see this your phone collect. But if now watch this video well, and I go see say they seize this phone. So it means say before you go collect this, I sure see na money now you go still give them these people. And I says our country just corrupt, just they lawless. In fact, I don't even blame them this government people. I don't even blame them this DSS. Now we ourselves where we go vote for them these people. Now wait till me they can't carry them this illiterate. They don't even know the law. They don't know person law again. See terrorists, they even respect journalists. You go see say for a terrorist to even come as I get message for Buhari, he go still even invite all these journalists. Say come record me. But like say they need DSS, they don't even know anything. The law where they give them as they hear, if they come as for the wrong ear. Now what make they always behave like say nothing they even affects them. But beg this whole act it dey very wrong. In fact, totally wrong. Make na I don't know because of gun dey on her hand. Now wetin make na they behave like this? I be because I don't wear that uniform. I don't know na wetin they give na power. But I beg make na change because the way things they go for this Naija, na only God na go fit save us. The way all these our government officials they work now, the way all this our security self they work now. In fact, the country make everything just tire people. My people, I beg. I hear this story. I say make I bring and come. Make na service na here. Here wetin they happen. Anything when I feel about this matter, make na don't forget to write them inside the comment section. Make na don't forget to like and also share this video. I will see you now for the next video.